Have you ever wondered how websites like Google, Facebook, and Amazon work? Thinking face, how are they built, and what technologies power them? If you're new to web development, you're in the right place. Today, I'll give you a complete beginner-friendly introduction to web development. Let's get started. We're going to break down the three major areas of web development: Frontend, Backend, and full-stack development. If you're new to coding, this is the perfect video for you. So, let's get started. Web development is powered by three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You've probably heard about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the foundation of every website you see on the internet. It helps structure web pages by using tags to define elements like text, images, buttons, and links. For example, it is a car body. Now CSS, which stand for Cascading Style Sheets, makes web pages visually appealing by adding colors, fonts, layouts, and animations. For example, it is a color and design of car. And that's it for this introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now you have a basic understanding of how websites are built, but we're just getting started. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into HTML and CSS, where I'll show you how to create and style a complete web page from scratch. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QuickTech and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it.